we have here an example. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word all. So we have here the word all. Since we have two letters L, so that we can identify which one is the first L, the second L. So let's have here, when we arrange, let's have here L sub 1 and L sub 2. So when you are going to arrange that one, you can have the first arrangement. We have A, L sub 1, L sub 2. This is the first arrangement. First arrangement or arrangement number 1. So, or one arrangement. Okay? So we have also here all A sub A, then L sub 2 and L sub 1. That is an arrangement. We have also here L sub 1, A, L sub 2. Or you can say L sub 2, A, L sub 1. Or we have here L sub 1, L sub 2, A. Or we have L sub 2, L sub 1, A. However, if you're going to look at the example, it seems like that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It seems like there are 6 arrangements. However, the letter L here are the same, right? There are 2 letter L's, right? If you're going to erase the sub here, okay, are these 2 arrangements the same? Yes, they are the same. Are these 2 arrangements the same? They are the same, and these 2 arrangements are the same. So we only have 3 arrangements. Okay? We only have 3 arrangements, not 6, because this one, we have here L sub 1, L sub 2, L sub 2, L sub 1, but they have the same meaning, right? ALL, because the L here are identical. The L here are the same. Therefore, the AL sub 1, AL sub 2, and AL sub 2 and AL sub 1, they are one arrangement. So this is what we call the distinguishable permutation. Yan, ito yung tinatawag nating distinguishable permutation. Okay? So that is what we call distinguishable permutations. Distinguishable permutations. Okay. So what is a distinguishable permutation? When you look at this one, there are elements that are repeated, L and L. So when the elements are repeated, our formula will become, so what would be our formula? Our formula permutation is equal to n factorial over p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. The n factorial here, the n here are the number of objects. The number of objects or the number of elements in a set or the number of objects in a set. So the p factorial here are the elements that are being repeated. For example, there, the word, for this example, find the number of permutation of the letters of the word all. So we have the n here is 3. And our p here is 2. Why 2? Because the n here is 3. Since the word all has 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. The word all has 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. And our p here is 2 since there are 2 L's. For 2 L's. Okay? So since there are 2 L's, the p here is 2. How about the q? How about the r? The q will we will have the value of the q if there are another letters or another numbers that are different from the p. So, since we only have 2 letter L, so we have our p here as 2. So, as we are going to solve this one, we have 3 factorial over 2 factorial. N is 3, p is 2. Okay? We have here 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1. 2 factor is 2 times 1. You can cancel this out. So we have here 3. So there are 3 ways. So there are 3 ways that you can arrange the letter word on. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. Let's have another example here. So, let's have here, find the number of permutation of the letters of the word statistics. So, from the word statistics, we have our N here is, how many letters of the word statistics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10. So, we have N is 10. So, our P here is, we have 3S. We have 3S. 1, 2, 3. And our Q here, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 T's. Right? And our R here, we have, let's, I. Okay, 1, 2. There are 2 I's. Okay? Do you still have another one? A is only 1 and C is only 1. Okay, no more letters that are being repeated. So only S, T, and I. Okay, let's solve this one. How many numbers of, find the number of permutation of the letters of the word statistics. So we have here, okay, we have here P or permutations. You have 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Since our P is 3, our Q is 3 factorial 3, and our R is 2. So 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So what is 10 factorial? That's 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. So that I can cancel this out. Okay? That is 3 times 2 factorial. This is, you can cancel this out. What is 3 factorial? 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6. So you can change this one as 6, right? Okay? Change this one as 6 so that you can cancel this 6. Okay? What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2 times 1 or 2. Okay? So 2 factorial, that's 2 times 1 is 2. So you can also cancel this out, or you can 10 divided by 2 or 4 divided by 2 or anything that you'd like to. That is 2, that's 4 divided by 2, that's 2. So 10 times 9 times 8, ito lang yung natira. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 5 times 2. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 5 times 2, that is 50,400 permutations. Or 50,400 ways that you can arrange the word, the letters of the word statistics. So there are 50,400 permutations or 50,400 arrangements that you can form when you are going to arrange the letters of the word statistics. Okay?